We are pleased to show you the 2023 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, moonroof, turbocharged, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.